What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. This knife was sent by somebody from the Pass Around group, so it means whatever's in this box was sent by the manufacturer. Just full disclosure there, pretty cool. We'll go ahead and start getting into it here. As usual, links in the description if you'd like your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea, as well as the usual tools that I use to disassemble my knives and some other cool EDC items. Just stuff that I would recommend to everybody that's interested in this EDC world. Okay, there we go. Just another one additional graceful precision cut. I'm trying not to show personal information here. This is all wrapped up in a bunch of stuff. Okay, we just have a bag with the knife in it. What do we have here? Oh, this is the Benchmade proper clip point. So, but this is the upgraded version in carbon fiber, and oh, we got a little bit of debris there on the blade. Carbon fiber and S90V. So I have actually looked at this knife on my channel before. The proper, a lot of you guys who have been around for a while remember I actually gave my dad a proper for Father's Day, but we have not taken a look at its upgraded brother, the S90V proper, so this will be pretty cool. I'll go ahead and I'll still give it a full review and give you guys my ideas of you know, value and materials and all that stuff. Really cool. This is just a classy little knife. Pretty easy little unboxing here, since my first impressions of this have already technically occurred. That's about all I can say there. I will tell you guys, I like the Benchmade proper a lot. There is a substantial difference in price between this and the standard one, so we'll have to talk about that a little bit. This came to me, it looks to be fairly centered. S90V, I think, just to let you guys know, I think S90V is a very appropriate blade steel for a knife like this. And when I say a knife like this, I mean a small gentleman's carry, classy folding knife, single blade. That's kind of my thoughts there. So anyways, guys, that is going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe to my channel, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.